Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Today, me and my friends would like to introduce to you carbohydrate metabolism. To start off, let's move to introduction of carbohydrate metabolism.
Carbohydrate metabolism is the whole of the biochemical processes responsible for the metabolic formation, breakdown, and interconversion of carbohydrates in living organisms. The 10 cycles of carbohydrate metabolism are: the first one is glycolysis, the second one is conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA, the third one is citric acid cycle, the fourth one is gluconeogenesis, the fifth one is glycogen metabolism, six is glycogenesis, seven is glycogenolysis, eight is hexose monophosphate shunt, nine is glyoxylate cycle, and the last one is photosynthesis. Here are some fun facts about carbohydrate metabolism. Did you know that carbohydrates are the only fuel source metabolized fast enough to support hard exercise? As for metabolism, problems with metabolism can result in illness. One of the most common metabolic diseases is diabetes, which occurs when the body cannot process sugars properly.
Next, let's dive in for application of carbohydrate metabolism in manufacturing industry. As we know, carbohydrate plays a crucial role in manufacturing industry. One of them is pharmaceutical industry, for example in vaccine production. Carbohydrate metabolism is fundamental in the production of vaccine, especially those based on polysaccharide antigen. Many bacterial pathogens have surface polysaccharide that serve as antigen, and these carbohydrates are often crucial for the induction of an immune response. The synthesis of this polysaccharide involves carbohydrate metabolism pathway. Vaccines stimulate the immune system to recognize and remember specific pathogen, providing protection against future infection. Carbohydrate-based vaccine can be designed to target bacterial pathogens such as Streptococcus pneumonia or Neisseria meningitidis. Understanding and manipulating carbohydrate metabolism pathway are essential for the development and large-scale production of vaccine, contributing to the prevention of infectious disease. Next, in antibiotic production. Carbohydrate metabolism is essential for the production of antibiotics, especially those derived from fermentation processes. Many antibiotics such as tetracycline and aminoglycoside are produced by microorganisms like bacteria and fungi during their metabolic processes. Understanding and optimizing carbohydrate metabolism pathway in these microorganisms are crucial for enhancing antibiotic yields. By manipulating the culture condition and nutrient availability, pharmaceutical researchers can improve the efficiency of antibiotic production, leading to increased yields and potentially lowering production costs.
Now, we are going to look at the application of carbohydrate metabolism in food in the section of sweeteners. Carbohydrates are integral in the production of sweetener. For example, high fructose corn syrup through enzymatic conversion of starches. Carbohydrate role as sweeteners in food and dietary nutrients. It mostly used to supply energy to the body. Next is adding fiber to food. The healthiest source of carbohydrate come from unprocessed and slightly processed, which is vegetable, fruit, and beans. It provides vitamin, mineral, and fiber to our body. Most carbohydrates are broken down into sugar molecule called glucose, but fiber passes through the body undigested because fiber is a type of carbohydrate that body cannot digest. Fiber help regulate the body's use of sugar and helping to keep hunger.
Now, let's take a look on the biological function of carbohydrate metabolism.
First things first, carbohydrate metabolism ensures constant energy supply. As you know, carbohydrate provides energy to human body as they are the main or primary energy source for brain, nerve cells, and also developing red blood cells. We also know that energy is needed for various human body processes such as breathing, maintaining body temperature, and also muscle contraction. Next, carbohydrate metabolism also helps in retain muscle in human body. To give more context, carbohydrate give vitality for human muscle compression, and when combined with protein, they can upgrade execution in continuous sports. Indeed, humans are able to do their job and tasks actively as enough energy was provided to the muscle and to be used for difficult work or exercises that requires high energy. Other than that, carbohydrates also help in muscle recovery after exercise as it supports the rebuilding process and reduces muscle soreness. Therefore, consuming carbohydrates and protein together can further enhance muscle recovery and reduces muscle damage.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I, Nur Ali Akila binti Syar Al-Azhar, will explain to you today about biological function of carbohydrate metabolism further. Okay, firstly, cellulose in plant cell. Plant cell require carbohydrate, especially cellulose, to give them structural support. Plant cells are rigid and have a shape because of the hard cell wall made of cellulose. It shields plant tissues and aids in preserving their structural integrity. Next is glycogen storage in animal cells. Glycogen, or which is mostly stored in the muscle and liver of animals, is a kind of excess glucose storage. In addition to providing a readily available energy source, glycogen helps keep cells structurally stable. It permits the quick release of glucose when energy is required. Next, it helps to improve digestive system. The first thing is prebiotic effect. Prebiotics like oligosaccharides are certain type of carbohydrates that support good gut flora. This microorganism is in the fermentation of undigested carbohydrate, which is result in the production of short chain fatty acid, which is promote to intestinal lining health. Last but not least, my point is cellular respiration. In the mitochondria of cells, glucose is subjected to cellular respiration, resulting in the production of adenosine triphosphate, which is ATP, the cellular energy currency. Sufficient amount of ATP are necessary for all cells, including those in the digestive system, to operate properly. Different but related purposes in both biological system and the food business. The food industry relies heavily on the metabolism of carbohydrate to produce a wide range of goods such as yogurt, beer, and bread. These products, flavor, texture, and nutritional makeup are influenced by the fermentation and glycolysis processes, which is reduce complex carbs to simple sugar. Next, in a biological sense, the production and storage of energy in living things depends on the metabolism of carbohydrate. The first step in the metabolism of carbohydrate, glycolysis, convert glucose into ATP, which is the main energy unit of cells. The following phases, such as oxidative phosphorylation and the citric acid cycle, contribute much more to the production of energy. Furthermore, carbohydrates are essential for preserving blood glucose level, which is guaranteed the body's constant source of energy. Comprehending the metabolism of carbohydrate is essential for streamlining food production procedures and tackling health-related problems like diabetes and obesity. The complex interaction that exists between biological processes and the metabolism of carbohydrates highlight how crucial a healthy and well-regulated system is to preserving general health and well-being. Research on the metabolism of carbohydrates keep advancing, deepening our understanding and creating new opportunities for advancement in the food sector and medical science.